As we keep receiving your investment queries for the Noida Expressway sectors, and now more so after the clearance of the Okhla Bird Sanctuary issue, we felt it was time we reported on the state of infrastructure of this new belt. 1 lakh people may move into the sectors on the Noida Expressway, with 60,000 apartments getting ready for possession this year. How prepared is Noida for this sudden surge? Let's find out. Working mother Ashima Sharma is one of those early occupants of private housing societies on the Noida Expressway. She moved into her apartment complex with her family 4 years ago and has since witnessed how the Noida Expressway sectors have evolved. When asked for her opinion on whether the existing infrastructure of this new region of Noida can provide a quality life to the expected new occupants, she says she is apprehensive.
I don't think so, because even if you go, I think, towards Sector 70, there's a huge development coming there. But if you see the road, it's nothing. So all that traffic is going to pour onto the road, but there's no road. There is, I would say the drains are still open there. So how are they going to fix that? That's one thing they always fix right at the end. And even now, when you see that this is all a new development area, they're still putting poles above the ground. And then they decide, oh, now we're going to do it below the ground. So the chaos continues.
This citizen of Noida also shares how travelling on the internal roads of the Noida Expressway sectors risks accidents due to blind spots, potholes and poor lighting at night. Connectivity of phones is also a handicap, and lack of local transport means relying on cars for everything. Buildings and roads do not make a thriving city. It is people and their engagement that makes a livable community. Residential projects here on the Noida Expressway may be calling themselves self-sufficient, but in this vast agricultural landscape, they are like small islands of development. To respond to these and other citizen grievances, we sought appointment with the chairman of Noida City. Admitting to the crippling absence of local public transport services, he assures that this is his top priority.
हम ऐसी अच्छी सिटी बस सेवा लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं कि लोगों को अपने सेक्टर के पास से बस सर्विस अवेलेबल हो, उससे फिर मेट्रो पे आ सकें और पैदल, उसके बाद पैदल या रिक्शे से या ऑटो से अपने सेक्टर तक पहुंच सकें। तो उस नेटवर्क पे हम काम कर रहे हैं। 200 बस शेल्टर भी अथॉरिटी बनाने जा रही है।
Residents also reported unmanned faulty traffic signals that gridlock sector roads during the day and incidents of theft and crime at night. How is the Noida Authority going to provide a safe environment to families?
मेरा ख्याल है जब सीसीटीवी कैमरे सभी चौराहों पे लग जाएंगे, एसएसपी से हमने रिक्वेस्ट की है कि जो निर्जन इलाके हैं, जहाँ पे अभी आवाजाही ज़्यादा नहीं है गाड़ियों की, वहाँ पे थोड़ा पीसीआर वैन्स का मूवमेंट बढ़ा दें।
Residents also complain that the promised Ganga water has still not reached their homes. The authority claims within 2 months they will be able to stitch together the end-to-end pipeline network. The top layer of roads of less inhabited sectors will be relaid. The chairman assures efforts to light up the streets is under progress. And most importantly, he claims within 1 year he will raise a system to collect garbage door to door and have it scientifically managed and treated. But promises are all fine. People want delivery and lasting quality. Perhaps the chairman's parting shot to us is indicative of his iron-willed approach.
ये बीच-बीच में कभी-कभी ऑब्स्टिकल्स आते हैं, लेकिन ये विकास यात्रा अनवरत जारी रहेगी। चाहे लोग कितने भी कोशिश करें हमारी स्पीड को रोकने की, लेकिन हमारी स्पीड कम होने वाली नहीं।
With camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.